Okay, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jafego Okoriko, popularly known as First K. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. And if this is your first time of bumping into my channel, you are most welcome. In this channel, I share valuable content about mini importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So you are in the right channel if this is what you want. And if you haven't subscribed, do not hesitate to smash the red subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell icon so you get notified each time I drop new videos. Thanks so much. Okay, in today's video, I want to tell you how you can make money from that Facebook you're using. Yes, Facebook is not just for posting pictures, for viewing people's pictures or chatting with people, and that's all. No, you can make money from your Facebook. And how can you do that? Take note before I move further. Take note, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It will take you some time, let's say a week or so, or maybe 2 weeks or even a month. Okay, but yes, you can make money from your Facebook. And what is this thing that you can do? It's called drop servicing. Okay, drop servicing. Have you heard of it before? Drop servicing simply means selling a service that is carried out by someone else. Okay, drop servicing simply means selling a service that is carried out by someone else. So you are in effect acting like a middleman, or perhaps it's somehow like an affiliate thing. Okay, like an affiliate. Okay, let me go in depth into this drop servicing I'm talking about. Let me explain it clearly to you. For example, myself, I am into mini importation. I train people on mini importation. I have an ebook for that. Okay, then you don't have this skill. Okay, you don't train people. What you simply do is bring people to buy my course. When you bring people to buy my course, you get your own commission. All right. Or maybe, for example, I am into cake making. I bake cake. All right. Then you go source for people who are interested in making cake, who wants cake. When you source for them, if they tell you, yes, I want like 2 cakes, you bargain with me first, because I am the one making the cake. After bargaining with me, like, how much will you bake this cake for me? Like, this is what I want, this is the sample, I need 2 of it, how much? After I tell you the price, you go back to the people, then you add yours. Okay, you add your own commission, your cut. Sometimes you can even double the amount I give to you, and then you tell them it's like this. Then they'll pay you for the cake, you pay me my part. After delivering the cake to you, you deliver to them, and then you get your money. So that's the example I'll give you for drop servicing. Now, how and where can you do this drop servicing? I'll give you 4 tips, 4 steps. Okay, first thing you need to do is to join a Facebook group. Okay, there are lots of groups on Facebook, but take note, the particular group you are to join should be a group on your niche, like what you want to do. That's the group you join. Okay, and then the number 2 thing you need to do, you need to be active in that group. People should know you. Okay, you can do this by posting from time to time, or perhaps leaving comments on people's posts. Okay, you should be active on that Facebook group. Then number 3 thing you need to do, you need to create a Fiverr account. I've already filmed a video on that. You'll see the video up here. You can click on it and watch it if you haven't done so. Okay, you create a Fiverr account, and then after that you move over to number 4. Number 4, you execute and take action. Now you need to watch out in that Facebook group. Watch out for opportunities of people who want your service. Remember, the group you're joining should be a group on your niche. Okay, so you watch out for opportunities, people that are interested in what you are doing. When you take note of somebody that is interested in it, if the person tells you, okay, let's say for example, let me still give the example of this cake making. Okay, the person says, please who can help me with anniversary cake. Okay, I need 2 of it. This is the sample. You tell the person you can do that. All right, or perhaps let me give another example of, let's say, a book cover design. All right, a book cover design. So somebody says, please, I need a book cover design for my book. Who can do this? You just jump into that opportunity, tell the person that you can do that, you will deliver. And once the person asks you how much, you will tell the person, please let me speak with my team first, I'll get back to you. And then you move over to Fiverr. Okay, you search for somebody who does book cover design. After liaising with the person, how much will you do this book cover design? The person will tell you how many dollars it will take. And after that, ask the person, how long will it take? The time frame. For example, the person says 3 days. You should add 1 more day to it, or 2, so that you'll be on the safer side before delivering the work to the person. Okay, so if the person says 3 days, you just make it like 5 days. You go back to the person on that Facebook group that is interested in book cover design. You tell the person your price. Meanwhile, you can double it for your own costs. For example, the freelancer you meet on Fiverr says that to get that book cover design will take $10. You can tell the person $20. Or perhaps it says, the person says $60. Okay, you can go and tell the person it's $120. Okay, so you tell the person the time frame too, that it will take 5 days. Then the person pays you. You go to Fiverr, you pay the person who is going to do that design, okay? And then after that, what you need to do, once the person brings the book cover design, you send it to the person who wants it on that Facebook group. The person can review it, any correction, you take it back. You're just acting like the middleman there, okay? And once that is done, once the job is done, you deliver it, you take your cut, you pay the person, the freelancer on Fiverr, his or her cut, and that's how you get your money. That's how you make money from Facebook. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. Please do not hesitate to give it thumbs up and share, and please leave a comment in the comment section. Let's interact. Let me know how you feel about this video, and then if you want me to film about any other video, I'll think about it and do that in my subsequent video. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.